Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm showing you guys how you can get an outro screen for free with no editing experience at all. And I'm going to be making a remake of my intros video soon, so be on the lookout for that. And also, as you can see, I rebranded my channel, and that is for 2021 because I just wanted a fresh start. I think 2020 was bad for all of us, so I think that we all need something fresh. So I decided to rebrand everything. So enough of me rambling, let's get right into the video. So you're going to want to go down in the description below and click on the Panzoid link, or you can search up Panzoid online and it'll take you to this website. So basically it's going to look like this, and there's going to be a bunch of random creations here. So you can just click more creations and you can scroll through all of these until you find one you like. So here's an outro screen, here's an outro screen, there's tons of them. And you just scroll down, keep scrolling until you find something you like. And then once you find something you like, which I did, let me just click on one. So I'll just click on this one. You just want to click open in Clipmaker and it will take you to a new tab so you can edit this outro. It's going to look really daunting, but don't worry, it's really easy. So just click on this little eye down here and you can see what you'll see in the video itself. And this is what it will look like. I'm going to mute the music. So you're probably wondering, like, how do I change the name? Because obviously that's not your name. So go over here to these three lines and go to objects. Go ahead and change the text up here to your name. And you want to just do it for both of these because sometimes they have multiple layers of the name. And make sure to click enter when you type it, or else it will not save. So sometimes it's like coded, so like text, you know, these are text. The subscribe, you could change that. So there we go, we got my name, and now if we hit play, we'll see my name is on there now. So it looks pretty cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to these three lines again, go to download, and make sure your format is MKV, and if it's not, try MP4 if there's an option for it. But MKV, you can change that into a video file if you have to, which I'll show how to do that. Just start the render. Okay, now it's done, so we can just click download your video. Thank you for using Panzoid. Your download is starting, and it might ask if it can store files on your device up here. Just click yes. It just wants to download something. So here we go, we got the video.mkv. There we go. So now all you would do is drop this in your video editor at the very end and you're good to go. And let's just say that you can't use the MKV file type and you want to change it to MP4. That's easy. Go down in the description below. There will be a website called Cloud Convert, and basically it'll take you to a site like this, and this is how you will convert it to an MP4. So just click select file and click on that video, and it will just convert it once you click convert. So you just gotta wait for it to be done. Okay, here it is, it's done. Just click download and it will download the MP4. So there you go, guys. There's gonna be a ton of other options if you don't want to use the one I used. You just gotta look for them, just keep scrolling and you'll find something you like. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.